Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Anita and this is our question. Equation minus 3x square minus root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 has what? The given options are 2 equal real roots, more than 2 roots, 2 distinct real roots, or no real roots. So the given equation is minus 3x square minus root 3x plus 3 equal to 0, which can be written as this by taking minus sign common. Now let's cancel the common term, that is root 3. Now this is our quadratic equation. Now we know that discriminant represented by capital D is b square minus 4ac for any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now from here, by applying this formula, we can get the discriminant value as b is 1 in the above equation. So b square minus 4 multiplied by a is root 3 and c is minus root 3. So this is equal to, if we simplify, 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. So d is equal to 13 and 13 is positive. So d is greater than 0, and we know that for d greater than 0, we always have two distinct real roots. So let us check the option now. Two distinct real roots is option C. Hence we can say that the answer is option C.